Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're heading to Lake Pontchartrain. We got a 2 hours and 30-minute trip ahead of us, so you guys stick around and let's see if we can put some fish in the kayak. We have 107 miles left, 1 hour and 40 minutes. All right guys, we're 85 miles away now, and this is the Morgan City Bridge. And this is where, not on this bridge, but to the right here is where I fell off my kayak. This is where it's happened. That's the last time I've been there. I haven't been back, but I need to come back. But this is where I fell at, right here, right down there, right down there. Oh, right inside that boat. I fell right there. So, but yeah, I fished all that way as well. So check this out. This is so beautiful. Little swamp to the right. I should have stopped and got some footage on this. This is so cool. Yeah, I know this is gonna be the longest intro ever. Locked and loaded. I had to stop and get me some coffee. I got me some coffee from the Bears gas station, so we're ready to go. We got like, I think like 45 miles left, so let's continue. All right guys, we're here. I got everything loaded up. I got me some ice, shrimp, well, dead shrimp in here. I'm about to go get me some fresh shrimp, but yeah, got everything loaded up. We're at this little marina. I have to make a big circle apparently to get to the Pontchartrain, but yeah, we're about to go jump on the water, guys. Finally made it here. Y'all stay tuned. All right guys, we are here. I've just launched, paid freaking $10, got me 20 pieces, 20 shrimp, 20 pieces, 20 shrimp, did 48 cents a piece, so pay like 10 bucks for some shrimp. I think I'm already up to let's see, $30 at the first gas station, $2 at the next gas station, so that's $32. $10 for parking, that's $42. $10 for shrimp. I'm already at 52 bucks, not even including my gas. But hey, that's what it takes to fish, right? If you want to go places, you have to pay. So I'll turn the camera back on once I get to the first fishing spot, so you guys stay tuned. So apparently I can go for 3 hours and 36 minutes like this. I'm using 535 watts. I'm doing 3.87 miles per hour, and I'm on throttle setting 55. I'm at 55% throttle on the N-Kit 300. So there's a rough estimate. I don't want to go full blast right now, but yeah, we're heading to railroad tracks, or trestles, I think that's what it's called. So we'll see what happens, guys. We will see what happens. All right, guys, I put a live shrimp on. I see some fish along this little pole right here, so I'm gonna try my luck. See that? Some of them are small, but I keep seeing some big ones like swooping in. So I'm gonna throw mine down there where you can join the party. Okay, there's my bait right there on the screen. Well, probably lost it now. Oh wait, we got to our fishing spot. The first fishing spot. I think I actually need a heavier weight. This guy's still kicking now. You know what? I'm gonna let it sit here for a little bit. How about that? I just had my first bite, guys. Let's see, did they get him off? Oh, he's still on there. All right, I got a live shrimp down there. I literally just lost a dang on bite, messing with my camera, trying to turn my camera on. So I figure I'll just leave it on for now. Put this shrimp back down there. I mean, I had me a nice bite too. I'm throwing this little jig head right now. A little matrix, holy jolly lure. Uh-oh. This guy's getting hit again, I think. Is it? Yeah, it's too loose. Oh, dang, they took my bait. I only have 20 shrimp in here, so I gotta be somewhat. These things are big too. Golly. See if I can throw it up against this structure over here. Uh-oh. Something just hit him. Oh. Uh-oh. Got something. What is this? What is this? Ooh. Ooh. That's a speck. That's a speck. That's a speck. Got him. Got him. Yes. 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 Let's go. Nice one too, y'all. I mean, a nice one. Look at those teeth. Oh. Oh. He destroyed that shrimp. There we go, guys. I gotta see what size he is, but I'm pretty sure he's a keeper. I think he got a minimum 13. I think I brought a tape measure with me. I totally left my thing in the truck. My other tape measure, my actual tape. Let's see this. See what size this guy is. Oh, he's like 17. Heck yeah. There you go, guys. First one. Dang it. Put that on some type of structure, I guess. With this. Guess I'm not getting that back. Oh, let me just cut that off. No need fighting over spilled milk. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Here we got another one, guys. What's wrong with my drag? Heck yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm trying to be quiet. I'm trying to be quiet. But it is so hard. It is so hard to be quiet. Y'all know how I like to scream every time I catch a fish. I got another one. Number two, guys. Let's go. Let's see what size he is. He gotta be 13 at least. 13. I'm pretty sure he's 13. I'm pretty sure he's 13. I keep wanting to freaking lip him, but I forgot I can't. Those teeth they have with them suckers. Live shrimp, baby. Let's go, guys. It's number 2. I don't want to start fishing by me. Okay, 16, guys. So that's a keeper. Let's go, baby. Something. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Oh, is it another speck? What is this? Oh, it's a big old sheephead. It's a sheephead. Let's go, sheephead. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Oh, I gotta move this phone. Let me get my net. Got him. Got him. Woo. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Let me see them teeth. Let me see them teeth. Ooh, it's my first sheephead. Let's go. Multi-species type of day. All right, let me see. Where's this hook? Yep, that's a sheephead. Oh, look, I'm flossing his teeth. My line got in his teeth. Oh, he just. Oh, let me see if I can get this hook out. I gotta see what size they have to be. I'm glad I have my other phone so I can actually check. There is no recreational daily bag or size limit for sheephead in Lake Pontchartrain. Louisiana commercial fish have a 10-inch minimum size, but recreational anglers do not have these restrictions. Okay, perfect. So that's a keeper, y'all. All right, I'm gonna put them back in. I'm gonna put them in my cooler. I got 2 specks in there, 1 sheephead. Oh wow, look at that! Ooh, get away from me! Get away from me! Look at this. That's a big old crab, boy. I thought that was a fish the way he was pulling. Boy, keep them paws away from me, boy. Look how big that thing is. Freaking huge blue crab. I don't want to get pinched by that. Oh! Look at that. Oh, I got something, y'all. I got something. Oh, of course. I cannot get away from these guys. I cannot get away from these guys. Catfish. Oh, that's funny. A blue. Nice blue. Nice blue catfish. Nice blue catfish, y'all. A stingray. Ooh. Ooh. How do I unhook this? Bro, I've never caught one of these before. Are those the kind that actually sting you? Well, it's a stingray, Paul. Freaking stingray. Y'all see this? Are y'all seeing this? Look at that tail. I'm scared to unhook this, y'all. I'm legit scared to unhook this thing. I think if I keep it upside down, look at the little eyes underneath. Oh my gosh. Hold on, I gotta get some better footage of this. Hold on my camera. Can I zoom in? Y'all see this? Nice catch, keep it upside down. Okay, got you. I want to see if I can get it closer and see if I can get my pliers to unhook it. So keep it upside down. Yeah, I never handled one of these before. Let me give it some slack then put my rod down. Chill out, buddy. Just don't sting me. If you sting me, bro, we're gonna be fighting. I'm not even playing. I'm gonna get in that water with you. Oh shoot. Now I got his tail hooked up. That's probably best. Oh, I see that little stinger. Got it. Okay, good. He's gone. Whew. Oh. There we go, y'all. Ah, it's another catfish. A little skinny one, but another catfish. All right, something is hitting my line, y'all. Something is hitting my line. Let me see. Oh, I think I said that too soon. I said that too soon. Okay, I still got a little bit of shrimp in there though. Let me put this crab back. I'm not gonna keep this. I'm not gonna use this crab. Here, hook onto here. Hook onto here. Bite this. Bite it. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, whatever this is. Is that another stingray? I sure hope not. Ooh. Oh, it's a drum. It's an actual drum. I thought my camera was off. Now this is a drum. That boy was fighting hard, boy. I've caught all kind of dang on fish today. I'm so happy, y'all. Y'all don't even know. There's a drum. Let's go. I'm gonna throw him back. All right, Whitney, there's another drum. I got 6 minutes, y'all, and I gotta start heading back. I gotta make sure I head back. I don't want to drive in the dark. I don't want to drive when it's too dark. I want to be closer to my house. Like I said, I got a 3 hour drive back home. So the things I do to catch a fish, I swear. All right, guys, that's a wrap. I forgot to do an outro, but that's a wrap. We caught a good bit of fish. So thank you guys for watching. Talk to you in the next video. Peace.